Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So as expected, ranged, pretty much did nothing. I've left some of the key levels in from yesterday, so obviously this diagonal support line is key. It all lines up with the 158-hour EMA, and that is at 5,500, 54.97 to be exact, but 5,500 is the nice big round number. And if you look left, there's lots of structure at 5,500. So anyway, big up, big down. There are still sellers coming in off the top trying to drive us down, but I think we are starting to form the range that I was expecting. So when we drill down to the 3-hour, you can see the big up, big down, and then we are just hovering here. Nothing really changes. We are underneath the moving averages and we're getting a crossover, so that is a little bit bearish. And if you did take the short here at 55, what was it, 55.47, 55.50 area, you definitely would have made a little bit of money as we were barreling down to the bottom, but we didn't quite get there. And I don't think we interacted with this level here at 55.15. So anyway, that is still sideways as far as I'm concerned. Just a word of warning before we continue. I'm away next week. We'll be in Dublin. We won't be doing videos. Kind of difficult to do videos without a second screen. So we will catch up with you the week after next. So what we have on the hour is pretty much a consolidation day. It is a day with a big tail, so there's still sellers coming in off the top, and as I said, that was your closest level for a short if you wanted to short, and there were quite a few people that did short. We've come back not quite into structure. You can see the structure we're looking for is this 55.15, and then on the hour you have a little level that we are just above at the moment at 55.20. Nothing on the oscillators, nothing really changes, to be honest, from yesterday. We are still looking to clear 55.50, build a base up there, and that is your signal to be long. We've left a gap here this morning, so we've gapped up this morning, and then there's also a gap down at 54.97. On the 50 minutes, you can see there it is there. So I'm reluctant to be short, but I'm also a little bit reluctant to be long at the moment. So there is more data coming out today and tomorrow, and we'll have non-farm payrolls on Friday, and there's lots of noise around that at the moment. So that to me just indicates we need to be cautious. So I will definitely be cautious. Not really keen on shorts, but I'm also not keen on longs, not until we get above 55.50. Get above 55.50, come back and test it, which is basically the highs of yesterday. That's my signal for longs. And then I can tell you now, for the next couple of days, if we do get back above that, you're going to find rejections higher up. So each one of these fractals will be a profit taking area, and you can see on the hour that is where the 150 EMA is. So you'll see a rejection, then you're going to find pullback onto structure, that whatever structure gets formed in the next couple of days, and it's just going to be buying off structure for probably the next week or two. Anyway, that's kind of my view. If we do start dropping below the bottom end here at 5,500, then I'm looking for the rejection for a move down, and then you may have probably a Fibonacci. There's a nice juicy gap all the way down. I'll give you that level. There's a juicy gap right down there at 53.23. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. I'm not going to be aiming for that at the moment. We need to see what happens here. If we do form a range, bounce up, come back, find support, then you're definitely coming back to target what was the top of the range originally, around 56.50. That's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.